Friends, just now we have seen that adding the establishment, the while adding the establishment, the software has asked the date should be in the DDMMYY format. So, in order to set the DDMMYY format, we will go to Start, which is in the left hand side down below, and from there we will go to Control Panel, which is in the menu which has been opened. So from there you please go to date, time, language and regional options. Sometime it may happen that your computer may be having only language and regional options. So kindly go to that, and from there you select regional and language option. And in India we are we are using the English which is applicable to United Kingdom, that is Britain. So you kindly select from the drop down menu the English which belongs to United Kingdom. So this you need to take care, English United Kingdom you need to select, and then to click on to the customize button. From there the new window which has been opened, from there it is numbers, currency, time and date. So we need to set the date. So kindly go to the date tab, and from here you can see sort date format. From this window you can go to the drop down menu and you can select the DDMMYY format. So here this is the DDMMYY format. So this we have selected, and from the date separator, from this date separator there are three types of date separator. One is dash, other one is slash and then dot. From here kindly select the date separator as dash. Then you, after selecting these two, DDMMYY format and dash as the date separator, kindly click onto the apply, then OK. Then again whatever window which is still open, then apply and then OK. So after setting the date format, we will again go to eReturn Tool version 4.0 which we have just now installed. So after clicking onto this, we have already added one establishment, that is 37,000 KNCKR 37,000. So this you please select and then click it onto the button open. So it will take you to a new window where it will ask, please enter user ID, please enter password. So the default user ID, that user ID is admin. So kindly note that. So the software which you are using, whether the software is being supplied by Chikmagalur or by any other office, the user ID is admin and the password is also the same, admin. Both should be in small letters. So after adding the user ID as admin and password as admin, then kindly log in. After logging in, it shows you several modules. Modules are what? In a book there are some index, that how many chapters are there inside that book. So similarly in a software, module means the various chapters through which you can update the record and generate return. So like one module is master, here establishment details and employees masters are there. From the menu module master, you are requested to kindly select the establishment details. Establishment details, whilst after selecting this establishment details, you can see the region code KN, office code CKR and the establishment code number 37,000, and extension if any is 000, because in this particular establishment there is no extension code number. So if you try to complete the data, name of the establishment, address of the establishment, all these things are blank. So in order to feed the data of this particular establishment, you need to go. There are three buttons here. One is back, edit, and save. So kindly click it onto the button edit. So all the windows, all the places where data is to be entered has been opened. So now you kindly enter the name of the establishment. Say it is XYZ Corporation, and address of the establishment is Mahatma Gandhi Road, MG Road, and district is Chikmagalur. City is also Chikmagalur. State is Karnataka. Kindly fill up all the fields in a correct way. And you are requested to kindly enter the name of the authorized officer, phone number, email ID of the office, email ID of the organization. So authorized number person is say ABC Kumar, and mobile number 91 is the India code, and mobile number say it is 9876543321, and fax number is there. Kindly enter the fax number also. Say 0862233. This is the fax number. Suppose an email ID is compulsory. This is the email ID on which Employees Provident Fund Organization is going to communicate the details to the establishment. So kindly fill up your email ID. Say the email ID is xyz@gmail.com. And if there is any further email ID of the organization, that also you can provide. And website, if it is there, so kindly fill up your website details also. Say xyz.com is your website address. And establishment is whether exemption status. Exemption status in most of the companies it is unexempted. In Chikmagalur, only 4 establishments, say KSRTC, Mysore Coffee Curing Works, Vignan Industries Limited are only KSRTC, of course, Hassan and Chikmagalur division are only exempted. So remaining other establishments it is exempted EPF 1952. And for EPS, Employees Pension Scheme, which is there is a parallel product that is called Employees Pension Scheme. Here also exempted and unexempted. So kindly select unexempted, because in this area there is no establishment which is exempted under EPS 95. And EDLI, there is one insurance scheme also where you need to find out whether your company is exempted under EDLI scheme or not. If it is not exempted, then if you are paying the EDLI contribution, kindly click onto the unexempted status. Otherwise, if you have taken purchased policy from some other organization, your company has purchased the policy from some other service provider, insurance company, then kindly click on to the exempted.